Welcome to my channel. This is Reba Renee, and I hope that my video is finding you enjoying life. I want to share with you in this video how I'm organizing my home. I have some items that I have purchased, some good sales that I've found, and I'm just, I have been working and not finding the energy to organize my home like I would like. So anyway, I'm catching up with some things. I've got a ways to go, but I hope that this video will be inspiring to someone to go ahead and look for those items that is inexpensive that you can find to help organize your home. I have 7 people in my home, and the items that I've purchased, we planning on using it. So not trying to waste anything, not trying to hoard, but when I get those sales, I be trying to grab them things because we wash probably about 5 times out of the week, and my his clothes get messed up, whether he have an accident in his clothes or whatever. You know how it is to raise children. So my husband and I, we go walking, we exercise, other people in the home exercise and do things, and we just want to be clean. So these items that I've purchased, they are not unnecessary, but are necessary. So I hope you enjoy this video. Check you later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell when I'm going to upload another video, and leave a comment. Talk to your girl. Check you later. Enjoy. This is my laundry area, and this is my new toy, an organized shelf to put my detergents in here, because I do have a little overflow up here. So, well, it's not overflowing, but a nice bundle here from my sales. And I want to put them here that's in my closet. For those that are in my closet, because, and there goes some down there, I want to use my closet space for something else other than that. And I'm going to put things in its place. This is my closet, and this is where it was. And I want these things out of here because this is my closet space for my clothes or whatever else I want to put in here. But I don't want these in here. So I have to, you see where the previous ones were? I want to remove them. And I need to put my detergents downstairs. This is like our storage area. And I want these things out of here because I want to be able to push this back. And I can't do that with these in here. Or I put it somewhere other than that so that I can get my things organized. And we don't plan on purchasing any detergents for a while because I think we're good for the year. And there's some more back up in there. And you can't see it that good because it's dark. But this is my clothes closet, not my laundry. And I want it to go in its place. So here goes some over here. See the babies over there hiding? Or just comfy back there in the back. They don't belong back there. They need to go in this place. Again, I'm saying it. And I hope that I can accomplish this tonight. So here was the detergents and fabric softeners, and I have moved them. So as you can see from the sides of this video, that I have more things that I have to put away in its place. So that is a big start for me, because you know how we can accumulate things, but they just may not be in its place. To make your home pleasant to come to from a day's work or a vacation. Yes, we like to go and get away and enjoy getting away and visiting a new place, but also we can get tired of the outdoors of other places, just being somewhere else It is nothing like coming home to your place, and that is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to accomplish having a place that I enjoy coming to. It's organized, it's clutter free, just being home and enjoying it. This is the final result. I don't have a lot of space under here, but I am done and I am grateful for the way it looked. I was able to cover I think somebody want to come and get in the video. You want to get in the video? My grand. I think I've done well with what I have to work with. And until I get something else to give me levels of storage, this is what I'm working with. Go ahead, you want to get in? Go ahead. And we do have a lock on this, so he is just feeling good that he was able to go and get that out. But I'm going to get it from him when I finish talking. But anyway, y'all stay encouraged. Work with what you got. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on things to make room in my house. The money that I save on the items that I purchase, I want to keep that money for something else, not spend it on something for storage. So, y'all be blessed. This is the final result. And he's going back over there. There he goes. Ooh, it is locked. Back to normal. Back to usual. Bye. This time I'm gone. Bye.